For those people that know about military, this thing now on a billboard for my, my city, I've been come out 2 hours ago. This is 4:43 a.m. So as I come back, I see that billboard. It is for audio billboard, but the thing they come out fast. Maybe 3 seconds, 4 seconds, you don't come out. So the salary they pay for that thing, every month they go pay you around 4 million naira every month, which is 210,000 rubles. Then they will give you 1,200,000 immediately before you join. Immediately before that's waiting there right there. Immediately before you join, they will give you that money now. Now you can use buy your gadgets then, your military all these boots, clothes, everything where you go use go fight. Now you go use now that money go use buy them. Then every month they'll pay you around 4 million naira. That is within that billboard they talk. And if you're interested, you go call them on the number where they near that QR code. Now 112 That's enough. If you call them from Nigeria, you know go. So you need a Russian number to call. Because I did for the number now. It's just like if I want call Nigeria now, if I don't put +234, you know go. Share get. If I put 0080, you know go work. That's exactly the same thing. If you call 112, if it be Etisalat or Airtel customer service. But when you do for the country, when you call them, you go just go to them directly. So for you to join this thing, me personally, I don't think say it hard. But the only hard thing we did there is to get the visa and to enter Russia. That's the once you don't enter, now you won't go join military. Why they not go take you? Why? They will take you. So they will collect you. This one they'll go put ammunition inside now, the ship and they go Ukraine straight. And be this. All those are sitting for front there now. Don't we carry gas and this one and then they carry they don't go offload them, they don't go unload them now. It's here. It's just in long. It's just in long. So, if you want to join military, personally, I don't think it's hard. Just try get that visa. Get that tourist visa first. Because at the end of the day, I see tourist visa, I go still use come. When you don't use that tourist visa come, you buy a Russian number. Just my city now 112 or something. Maybe other city get different code. I don't know, but I know they plan to join, so I'm not, I don't know much about the thing. But if you're interested, just try get tourist visa. When you come here, you call them for phone. If they don't take you, make I bend. As long as you don't get any heart condition, heart problem, you understand, they will take you. You go as soon as now war, you won't go fight. Ha. Go fight to away, no concern you. But well, if you fight and finish, they will give you Russian citizenship. People don't live for this country 5 years, 6 years. Once you come, you can serve for 1 month, for 1 year, you are getting Russian passport immediately. And all those old papa them where they won't try apply for study visa at the age of 35. The truth is you can apply because you have the money, your money. But the truth is, another truth really they be say, it's just like you trying to buy a 1-year-old shoe. Like a shoe where say this shoe now for picking will be 1-year-old, but you won't buy them because you get the money. Of course you can buy it, but you know go fit you. It can never fit you. At the same way, where this embassy, I get 2 people who go embassy. 2 people. One applied. One is 1999. The other one is 2000. The one applied from Bahrain. The other one applied from Nigeria. The one waiting for Nigeria is the younger. Is the younger one. So both of them go embassy. Embassy give the one for Bahrain visa without even interview. He said it was easy. He called them. They told him document to bring. He carried the document good there. That's it. No interview. Nothing. But the younger one waiting for Nigeria. We apply for Nigeria. Police. The other one waiting for Nigeria applied, they call am for interview. You go interview, go the answer chemical formula. Wetin be this one? Wetin be that one? Wetin understand? You know the reason is because of these people for embassy. They know say a lot of us are running. A lot of Nigerians are running away from the country. Make I run cross this. So they know say a lot of people they run from Nigeria. They are running away. Normally, if I want to apply for student visa for Yankee now from Russia, you go everything we interview yourself. See some people I don't make appointment for them. I don't make appointment for some people now for like over 3 weeks now. They never get appointment date. Can you imagine? For students, a lot of people they run. So that's why if you go apply for the wrong visa, you just waste your money. They won't give it to you. Once you don't reach like 28 years, if you apply for student for tourist visa, that 28 years, if you apply for student visa is even more sure for you at 28 to get than tourist visa, but you can still get it. Because earlier this year, somebody will go embassy at 28, they give them a tourist visa 30 days. So it's possible. But if you don't reach like 30, they go up just from 35 and above. Just forget this school, forget. Now the best visa to use come Russia, yes, we know. Now the best visa to get, even for Canada, now student visa. But the reality is they won't give it to you at the embassy. They won't.